Welcome back to another In Time Disaster News Happens on November 4th, 2025 at Kamchatka Krai, Russia. A powerful cyclone erupted overnight. Rain, sleet and gale force winds caused widespread flooding. Roads, courtyards and streets turned into ice baths. In Ivashka, the boiler room and roads were flooded. Communications were completely lost, and the village was left without power. In the north, the village of Karaga was flooded. Streets were completely submerged, courtyards were flooded, and the water level was higher than an adult man's knee. In Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, approximately 37 mm of precipitation fell, more than a third of the monthly average. Meanwhile, the snow began to melt due to the above-zero temperatures, turning into rain and water. Cars literally float and stall in the middle of the road, and residents are forced to navigate knee-deep icy water in some places. Thank you. See you back in the next video.
Hilaisen mo tinggang Satan lenggamahin Nang malunglam hello
Nang madilam sangin kay madilam yengin Hinko malud na hep Halloween
Nang mado nan hinko kama Jinge Tuling na aging medya satay Tumin na nung kahin juitay Tunim kalong timpong Pikahin na pumpile kalhagaw pompe Nang manglaylot din kakichu Nang mahachungong patenahi Alpha le Omega Van lele sempa Tili jakai juse akshay na hilhuting pa Tane chungnu Nupi chungnu Sensa juse nang manoya konchen Semsa jusen tanglo inang mawachoy hen Kristalengam pilhing loy hen Amen Tunin na aging medya satay Ang mangay luting kakichu Thầy ta